Ever wondered why businesses decide to do trade shows? You know, besides the obvious reason of trying to sell you products, we go to multiple trade shows a year to meet our customers face to face and showcase why we think we're the best. We believe bathrooms are so important, we'll bring one straight to you. Each remodel project we do is done with time-tested and proven high-quality materials. Our install crews are experts and typically can finish projects in less than 24 hours. Amazing, right? We believe in fitting your dream bathroom around your house and not the other way around. With our easy-to-use design software, you're able to see your perfect bathroom before remodeling even starts. With the best pricing and customer service, come see why Premier Systems is the only choice for your bathroom remodel. Call today and schedule your free bathroom remodel consultation.